Hello, my friends, followers, listeners, and dear traders. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. As I promised, soon we will publish the awesome strategy. So today, I'm going to show you the awesome strategy. But first of all, I will say you kindly once you enter in trading, first of all, please consider on the risk management. Risk management is the key. Okay, once you use the money management, there is no any strategies fail. Okay, only that risk management which give us strong things in trading. So you have to follow simply is risk management. The money management is key. Okay, and always follow the money management. Once you start following the money management, you will see the improvement in your trading. Okay, if you still have any question, feel free ask me. Traders Profits Club always here for your help. But the reason why guys fail, no have emotions control, a lack of knowledge and money management, so they fail. So today going to show you the one true strategy. There, this strategy is not available in whole world. If you follow the parameters and follow the all stuff correctly, all rules, really you will never fail. You will never fail. Okay, so let's start set up the strategy. So simply, first of all, we have to choose the indicator moving average. Moving average 48 period shift to 0, simple apply to close 4 pixel and color black. Look here and done. Okay, the second thing is a MACD. MACD is a very awesome indicator, but if you know how to use and how we calculate the MACD, the fast EMA will be 13 and the slow EMA will be 48 and MACD will be 1. Okay, apply to low and 3 pixel signal will be 3 pixel and apply to done. So how we use this strategy, very awesome strategy. Okay, first of all we will discuss about buy signal. Look here, once that 48 moving average cross, look here, that candles crossing the 48 moving average, candles crossing the 48 moving average, and MACD also going upward. Look here, MACD also going upward, so it's mean that market is going to buy. And look, this is your exit point. Once you see that MACD is started going down, so it's time to exit from your trade. Okay, and this setting will give you true signal. And look here, from this point market started going down, and look here, market started going down, and MACD give you a clear view and give you also ability to control your emotions because that market is going in downtrend. So MACD give you a clear picture, hold your emotions, control your emotion, and hold your trade. And look here, a true buy, candles crossing 48 moving average, and look here, MACD also showing that market is going to buy, and look here how much buy. Really very awesome indicator and very awesome setting and strategy. And look here, once market come in sale, and look here, a sale signal, market how much pips paid, and look here, MACD the same time give an awesome, look here how much pips. I test this strategy, really that's my word, I convert my $50 in 789. And this strategy will make you more pips and rain of pips, let's say rain of pips. Any short and big signal, and look here, them using showing you M1 because they are all beginner traders and always they using M1. Any signal appear with the strength, and there is no any fast signal. Look here, this signal comes a very short signal but also give us pips of buy. And look here, How many trades I show you? Look here. Buy and sell, buy and sell. Okay, let me show you the crush. Here is the boom 500 we already discussed about, and here is the crush. And look here, a buy and a buy, and look here, a buy signal and MACD confirmation, and look how long. And look this buy signal and MACD, and look how long this buy, and look this. Once you enter trade until that indicator change direction, hold your trade with trailing stop. Okay, safety is first in trading. Look here, a buy and a MACD also give you that clear signal of buy. So this is very awesome strategy. If you want to make pips, kindly follow and make more money. I hope you all guys understand, and I sure you will make more pips.